this is the ECS Tuning Resonator Delete. Just taking a look at it, look at the welds, look how nicely it was put together. I don't know, I'm no expert on this, but it does look pretty good. It actually has the clamps on it, so it'll help seal in the exhaust when they cut off the old muffler. And the best part about it, whenever I go to sell the car, I can just take this right off myself and take the stock muffler to an exhaust shop and have them re-weld it back on. That's what the stock muffler looks like. It's huge, it's heavy. I haven't weighed it, but it definitely weighs at least 35 to 40 pounds. So this is my local muffler shop, and this guy's got stuff going on. You know, this is a pretty cool work truck. This is his rat rod. It's got 2 turbos in the front. It's pretty intense. Check this out. This pickup truck was on air suspension, as you can see the bags there, and they had to cut out the bed so that they can fit the wheels in. It looks awesome. So this guy didn't use any special tools to pop off these exhaust hangers. He just used a straight up pry bar with some PP blaster, and then they came right off, although this is a newer car. So these 2 bolts right here are the exact reason why I brought it here, and that's because they were rusted. Even though this is a 2019, he's having a hard time getting these off. One of these days I've got to end up getting myself a torch, because as you can see, once this is heated up, it just comes right off. While he's tightening up the bolts, let me just take you on a tour of what I'm seeing at this muffler shop. This is his collection of old rides, and this one is actually has too many tanks to count because he likes to jump them and bounce them. So he said if you only have 1 or 2 tanks, then you run out of juice pretty quick before the compressor has to kick back on. So there it is, the old Resonator out of the car. We're ready for some sound tests. Before we dive right in, here's a little bit of before. drive mode. Thanks for watching, and I hope you appreciated this audio experience. And if you're interested in a Resonator delete for your Atlas, check out ECS Tuning. They were the cheapest Resonator delete option available.